Now that is just simplicity. So easy. Serve it with whatever you like. Let's go for some baked beans. Oh, look at that. That is absolutely outstanding. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing something basic cooking. It's needed. You know, many people are getting worried about putting a meal on the table. This is full of goodness. We're making a bacon and cheese quiche, crustless. No worries for pastry. You don't have to buy. We're just going to cook off some bacon and we're going to line it out with the bacon and chuck it all the way through, and we are going to have a fantastic easy meal on the table. Anybody can do it. Now you serve it with salad or chips or fries or anything like that. Fantastic. Pan on, in here, a little bit of oil. Now you can use as much bacon as you like. 6 to 8 rashers, somewhere around there. Chuck it in, start frying it off. Easy as that. Now I've chopped it all up with a pair of scissors. So it's all mashed up in there. We don't want slices of bacon. We want lots of bacon bits. Now bacon is the first bit of cooking in this, and onions are completely optional, but I've got half a small onion and I've diced it up really small. We're going to put that onion flavour in there as well. Now if you don't have bacon, you can do this with Canadian bacon, ham, anything. Don't worry about it, you know. If you're using packet ham that's already pre-cooked, just cook it a little bit. Don't go crazy, you don't need to. Okay, we've got some fantastic flavour going on there. Let's have that out of that pan. Leave the fat behind, we're going to cook the onions. Bacon done, in there with our onion. Nice little cooking on there. Want to colour it up? You colour it up. A little bit tinged onion, delicious. Those onions are done enough for me for this. Out they come. Now we don't want all the fat, leave that in there. Obviously this is good cooking fat. It's bacon fat with a bit of olive oil. You can still use it to cook. Up to you. Make sure you have your oven on 180, somewhere around about there. So there's our flavour there, bacon and onions. I've got cheese. And I've got cheddar, and I've also got a little bit of mozzarella. I'm mixing it. Do whatever you want, put parmesan in, up to you. It is a very easy recipe to change around and put in what you like. Let's not make it complicated. In there, eggs. We're going to give them a beating. Done. Want some cream in there. Now you can go milk if you don't have cream. Up to you. We're going to go cream, about that much. Job done. Now you want to be seasoning this. Only a little bit of salt. It depends how salty your bacon is. Pepper in there. And we want to do onion powder and garlic powder. About 1/4 teaspoon each. Somewhere around about there. Just to get that flavour all the way through. Get that in there. Now this is how versatile this type of cooking is. Smoked paprika in there if you want. Mixed herbs in there if you want. Italian herbs. Look, come on. You can change it up to what you want. You know what you like. And I'm just going to do a little quick pinch of Italian herbs, just so I've said that. There you go, in. Do oregano, do anything you like. Sun-dried tomatoes, anything. This is how easy this is. Right, I'm not sure this is big enough. We've got a dish here. In there, bacon. Now we want a good 2/3 of the bacon in there and line out the bottom of the pie tin. That's going to be our crust on the bottom. Mix it out with some onion. Now be careful because the onion's hot. That's only just come out. There's our flavour right there. Now in there, with a layer of cheese on there, that's going to sticky it all up. Now what you don't do with any of this like this, don't squash the thing down. You want the fluid to run inside and sticky it all up. We want our egg mix in there, straight in. There you go, easy as that. On there, a little bit of bacon. And you know, if you've got a little bit of that left in there, chuck it on there, it doesn't matter. Up to you. Don't go too daft though, we don't want a very greasy top. And that is it. That is so simple. This is one of the forgotten recipes that people think that's so complicated. They've got to put loads of pastry and things in. But come on, there's a lot of goodness there. Right, stick it in the oven. It goes in the oven about 35 minutes. And what we'll do, pretend this is a knife. We'll take a knife and we'll stick a knife in. And the blade comes out clean. It's done, in the oven. Okay, test your quiche. Clean as a whistle, it's done. Let's have it out. There we go, beautiful, beautiful quiche. Just let it cool a little minute and we'll have a slice. Fabulous. Just a little bit of parsley on there, come on. Not that much, that's too much. Which slice do you want? Oh, it's hot. It's absolutely roasting. Look at that, for goodness. Come on. On there. Look at that. Now that is just simplicity. So easy. Serve it with whatever you like. Let's go for some baked beans. Oh, look at that. That is absolutely outstanding. So there you are. That is our bacon and cheese crustless quiche. Come on. Look at that. Perfect. Look, all our bacon's at the bottom formed up the crust. Forgotten recipe, you know, people are forgetting how to make this. This is absolutely sensational. It's moist. It's really moist. It's fluffy. It's full of bacon. It's got flavour. So simple to make. Really easy. Anybody can do this. And look at that. That looks like a crust. That is all bacon. And where the egg and everything's run down. That is beautiful. Sensational. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, tell your friends. It's so easy not to forget how to make a perfect meal. Light meal, serve it with salad, serve it with chips, serve it with beans, serve it with what you like. And if you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell, and we'll catch you in the next video. Oh, Come on.